Visiting the Golden Chopsticks buffet, brand new buffet in Port St. Lucie. Checking it out. Let's see what it's all about. Let's see what it's giving. Yeah, Golden Chopsticks in Port St. Lucie. Upon walking in, the restaurant seemed a little bit busy. Well, it was because it was Sunday. The dining area is really, really big and they have a whole lot of food stations. I really like the fact that they cater to group settings as well as individual eatings. On a Sunday, they only do one price and it's $26 per person with the drink. All right, without the drink, it's like $21. And good crowd. Yeah, let's go check out the food. So the restaurant boasts several different food stations ranging from simple Chinese flair, salads, variety of salads and fruits, to cocktail shrimp and other type of seafood, cold serving seafoods with a whole lot of sauces. There was desserts and of course you have a lot of variety where that was concerned. Overall, the place was fresh. The place was clean. We were on a very busy day and we saw where the staff kept on replenishing the food as soon as our patrons took what they wanted from the food. The seatings was okay as well, and you just got the opportunity to walk around in an open setting and choose what you want. Overall, I really, really enjoyed this buffet. I think maybe because the place was new, it just smelled new and everything just seemed fresh. The food was great. There was some foods that were a little bit salty, some foods that, we didn't care for. The hibachi grill was a great option, and of course that was where you pick your own foods and they cook it up for you. They had an extensive sushi area as well where you could get your hearts filling off different types of sushi, including sashimi. I really enjoyed that aspect of it. They had the areas for those persons who didn't want general Chinese food. They could get a little bit of an American type of vibe. They had a kids station as well where the kids could get fries and onion rings and deep fried flair. I really enjoyed it. The hibachi grill was well stocked with a variety of ingredients that you can choose to make chow mein or any type of food that you want. I really like this place and I would definitely go back. I'm not a big buffet person. After having bad experiences at buffet, I would definitely go back. This was my first plate. It was somewhat like a dim sum appetizer plate with some soup, and I really enjoyed that. This was my second plate, and again I took little bits of whatever was unusual to me and I enjoyed that. And here I am trying some octopus, and of course the family was like, wow, you're eating that, but me never business. I really liked it. And so yeah, the onion rings was great. Not onion rings, the octopus rings was great, or squid rings or calamari was great. Here is my sushi plate, and the sushi was awesome. I would go back just for sushi. The food was really, really good. I enjoyed my sushi plate, and of course, if you never know, you're not eating with chopstick. If you're not eating sushi with chopstick, you're supposed to eat it with your hands. If you're not eating sushi with chopsticks, you're supposed to eat it with your hands. And so here I am, diving into my sushi. Yeah, of course. If you don't like sushi, there is a ton of other options. I would also recommend that they have something like a microwave there, because some of the food was a little bit cold. Not the sushi was supposed to be served cold, but some of the food was cold because of maybe the heat lamps were not working as well. But overall, it was a great place. If you are not big on drinks, they only offer sodas and iced tea, so that's another downside to it. And of course, overall, it was great. The wife took an opportunity to show what she was eating, all sort of mix-up plate. She mix up wifey mix up. I don't eat like that. I eat very, very selectively. And of course, this is my final plate. I just wanted to end the evening with just some other things that I never tried. And overall, we had maybe 3 good plates. And yeah. Big up to Golden Chopsticks. Great place. I would definitely go back. And if you're in Port St. Lucie, run over there and visit them. This is not a paid review, but I really, really enjoyed it. And of course, the family did too. So guess what? Big up on yourself. Yardie Belly TV, 100%. Yeah, member. Like, share, and subscribe. Yardie Belly TV. Manners.